Hey there, it's Max. This is the Spokane Cyber Cup Year 6 Solution Guide, and this is going to be the second challenge for the slide rule challenge, the wrapped multiplication. So with simple multiplication, you need to move the left index. For wrapped multiplication, we need to move the right index. Now, all of this wraparound multiplication is right here that we were talking about. So the way this explains it, it says that when you overflow, there's no way to deal with it. So for instance, if we do 2 times 6, we'll go to the 2 there, and then we want to go to the 6. Actually, we'll do 2 times 7 because you can't see it. But notice this goes off of our number line. So if you try to go down, there's nothing there. So there needs to be a way to compensate for this. And that's where we start using the other index. So part A is just that we're going over and there's no way to do that. So part B of this is we need to use the right index and align that going the other way. And then do this as normal, just using the other index. So, in a more slow pattern here, we're going to move the right index to the number we want to multiply by. Say we want to do 5 times 6. We're going to move this index, the right index, to 5. Now, we want to do the same thing as before, where we want to go find the 6 on the C scale. If we go and move the hairline there, we can see that this is 6. And this on the D scale, it's 3. Well, we know that this overflowed once, so it must mean that it's 30. Doing these sorts of scaling in your head is really important for being able to use a slide rule. So let's pick another number, and we'll explain this one more time. Let's do 7 times 4. We want to move the right index. We'll move the right index here to 7. Then we want to find the 4 on the C scale. Once we find that, we can then figure out where it's located. We can see here that this is the halfway point between 2 and 3, and we have 2.6, 2.7, and 2.8, I believe. I said 7 times 4, which is 28, which is exactly what we wanted. So, to recap, we're doing wrapped multiplication here. Wrapped multiplication is effectively the opposite of doing regular multiplication. With regular multiplication, we use the left index, and with wrapping multiplication, we use the right index. Cool. So that is the second slide rule challenge. Hope you're having a good time.